Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Power to Weight Training. As I mentioned previously a couple weeks ago, once I reach 200 subscribers, which for me is a milestone, I am going to attempt 200 pull-ups. So other YouTubers have done this, they all do crazy stuff. I'm going to see if I can do 200 pull-ups. My max of strict pull-up is about 8 to 10, and if I swing a little bit, I could probably put out maybe 17 or 18. So 200 is definitely going to be interesting. Anyway, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do one right behind me in my garage today. So this is the second video from the garage. I want to thank you all for watching. I want to thank you all for joining Power to Weight Training. And I hope you are on your way to a healthier and happier lifestyle. Without further ado, I'm going to turn around, chalk up my hands, and start off my 200 pull-ups. The plan is to do 3 and about 30 seconds rest or so. I actually don't know how the rest is going to be. I'm just going to count it off 30 seconds. And I'm going to log them right on the log behind me or to my right. I can even speak already because I'm kind of nervous because I don't know if I can do this. Anyway, I'm going to get started right now. I'm going to chalk up. So let's get going. In about 30 minutes, I'm going to pause this video because once again, this camera only records up to 30 minutes. So hopefully I don't forget to do that because I'm not doing this again. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate your support. I appreciate you being here with me. Shout out to everybody out there that's supporting me. I'm going to turn around and let's get this started. A little bit of chalk goes a long way. Like I said, I'm not a pull-up person. So, 3 at a time. 1, 2, 3. 3 down. Alright guys, I just crossed the 50 pull-up mark. Feeling pretty good. Hands are getting a little bit bruised up, but not too bad. As you notice, I'm doing 3 at a time at about 30 seconds, so the pace is continuing. So far so good. I'm not like some of these young guns on the YouTube over here. They knock out, 10, 20, 30, 40, 20 sets of 30. I can't do that. I'm about pace. 49 years old, I pace. Here we go, let's go. 3 more guys in real time. This is 52, 53, and 54, I think. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to mark it down. 1, 2, 3. So far so good. Alright, let's get going. Let's keep going. Alright, about 15 minutes in or so. So, about an hour ordeal, I guess. It'll be a while. So, with having said that, I'm back to quadruple speed, so don't bore you guys to death. Alright guys, I've crossed the 100 mark. I am at 102. I'm going to restart the camera right now so it doesn't run out on me. Alright, we're back online. I'm 102. I'm probably 28 minutes in or so. It's getting a little more difficult, I gotta say. But it's not horrible yet. I'm not cheating too much yet. I'm trying to do full extension on the way down and get my chin over the bar. So here we go. Halfway there. Alright, so I'm 105. It is definitely getting more difficult, but I'm going to do my 3 every 30 seconds or so for as long as I can. That's the plan, alright? That's the plan. That's what I said I'm going to do, and I'm going to do it until I can't do it anymore. So, having said that, back to the pull-up bar. A little bit of chalk first. Now back to the pull-up bar. Alright guys, I am at 150, so we're moving right along. 50 more left, I should be able to do it no problem. Hey, shout out to everybody that's doing and working out with me. Let's do the 150 pull-up flex. Let's go, come on, do it with me. That's right. If you're not here yet, you'll get here. If you're bigger than I am, more power to you. Let's flex together every weekend. Remember, workouts are coming out every Monday and Thursday. Whew, that's a lot of chalk right there. But remember, join me, have fun, be healthy, and be happy. Having said that, I got 50 left. I'm gonna probably keep on doing the same pace that I've been doing because I don't know anything else besides pacing myself. That's what I do. Getting right back at it. 3 more. Going right here. Count out with me, let's go. 151. 152. And 153. Woo! And back to no talking. I'll see you guys in a few. Alright, I'm back. We have 23 pull-ups left, guys. Once again, thank you so much for joining me. This might be the longest video for 200 pull-ups, but it is what it is. This is the pace that I can do it. Once again, thank you for joining me. I have 23 left, and I'm gonna get them done right now. Not in one shot. Continuing 3 every 25 to 30 seconds. See you guys later. about to end this. I'm at 195, so five more. I'm going to do my set of 3, and then we're going to end up at 201 because I just want to continue the 3 thing at this point, you know what I mean? So let's do 3 more. $96, $197, $198. I'm gonna go mark him. Thank you so much for joining me today for this world's longest, what I presume. Oops. 1, 2, 3. That doesn't count. Thank you for joining me for the world's longest 200 pull-up video. I might have to play this at 10 times the speed so you guys can actually watch it. But thank you again. Thank you for all you subscribers. I'm at 198 pull-ups. I'm going to do 2 more, 3 more to continue my set of 3. And I just stepped on something that lodged in my foot. Anyway, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching this. Continue subscribing, continue watching, continue being fit, continue being happy, and continue being good. I'll see you guys later. Let's do the last 3 and I'll see you guys. 199. Here's to you, 200. Thank you for 200 subscribers. And 1 more for good measure. That's it. 201 pull-ups done. 1, 2, 3. We counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once again, my job is done. My 200 pull-ups are done. The video will be posted soon in a few days. I'll see you guys later. New videos every Monday and Thursday. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for leaving all the wonderful comments. And I'll see you guys.